Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Outswinger. This is Mahesh. I wish you are all well and I hope you're all well. Merry Christmas to you all across the globe, whoever is celebrating Xmas. This is festive period and thinking about festivals, it is going to be a massive festival for us. Test cricket fans, die-hard Test cricket fans. India is playing Australia at the MCG here in Melbourne. Boxing Day Test, it's going to be a blockbuster. I think we are expecting about talking about 90,000 maybe, or if a little bit less or probably more, but I think every day will set records. There are going to be record crowds and the atmosphere is going to be electrifying. There's no doubt about that. And if you are at the MCG and if you're on the Boxing Day, or doesn't matter any day, you're going to carry these memories for a long period of time. This experience you will not forget, because I've been there so many times and I can advocate that the experience in MCG is absolutely amazing. People, if you haven't done that, if you haven't watched Test cricket at MCG, please come and do it if you're a Test cricket fan, for sure. What's happening for the last 1 week? There was a lot of talk, but I think nobody's talking about the cricket. The talk was completely irrelevant according to me, in my opinion, but in my channel I only talk about cricket, the contest, and not the controversy, sir. So let's get on with it. Now I base my analysis of cricket on a very important formula that I learnt in mathematics. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. So the fractional value is 22 by 7 and the decimal value is 3.14. So the fractional value, 22 by 7, 22, obviously we all know 22 yards, and divided by 7, the most important factors which will influence the game. Number 1, toss. Number 2 is the pitch. Number 3, conditions / the combination, because depending on the conditions, you pick your combination. Number 4, bowling. Number 5, batting. Number 6, fielding. And number 7, captaincy. If you tick all these 7 boxes, whichever team ticks these boxes and does well, I think they will obviously have an upper hand, because these are the departments and the 7 important factors that will have a telling influence on the game. Now, if you're India, the questions that you want to ask yourself is, how are you going to pick 20 wickets? How are you going to provide oxygen to Bumrah? How are you going to get the 400 runs in the first innings? These are the questions you have to answer. If you're Australia, can we continue to get 400, or are the 350s or the 400? Well, we have done well in the last 2 test matches. We have batted well. Our batting is looking a little bit better. So Australia will be asking themselves, let's get 400, because the bowling looks all right. We have the combination to get 20 wickets, right? Now this looks to me as if you know your tennis and you're playing you normally play a 5-setter in a final or in a tennis match for men's, but because the Brisbane match was truncated due to rain and had its influence and we didn't have a result, so it was drawn. So this is like a 4-setter and you can't make any unforced errors. The team which is going to make less errors will be in a better position. Well, it's going to be quite a contest, guys, and I can't wait for the game to begin tomorrow. And I wish both teams well. Bring it on Test cricket. Have a fantastic time and enjoy the game.